It's time to do some wrenching. Okay, what I have here is a Harbor Freight bolt extractor set. They have a unique design whereas they can grab onto stripped bolts or nuts. And I just got these the other day. I want to do a little experiment and share it with you guys. What I'm going to do is take this bolt. I think it's a 3/8 bolt. It's got a 14mm head on it. I'm going to put it in a vise and tighten it down as much as I can with this torque wrench. I'll start off with like 20 pounds and try to work my way up, as long as I don't strip it or break it. So and then what I'll do is I'll take it out and I'll round this head off on my grinder, and then I'll see if one of these sockets can actually take it off. So let's go out in the garage and try it out. Okay, let's tighten this down. Try 20 pounds. Yeah, it's 20. I'll put it up another 10. This will be 30. I think that's as far as I'm going, because otherwise it might break or strip. I'll probably strip first, but okay, let's take this out and put it on the grinder. This one this way. Yeah, the edges are pretty well rounded off. Try this out and see. I'll try taking it off with the regular socket that I put it on with and see what happens. Okay, let's try it out. Try taking it off with the regular socket. Oh, stripped. Just turning. Okay. Okay, let's try one of these extractor sockets. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Yeah, hey, it's taking it off. Well, you can see it. Hopefully you can see those threads. Started taking it off. So it works. Hey, pretty cool. Another tool, useful tool to have. You know, sometimes I cut these off if I have a problem with a rusted bolt or nut, but it depends how much space you have in the area, you know, you're working in. Sometimes you can heat them up, spray them with a lot of penetrating oil, but this is cool. Just have this tool too, just in case. Hey, if you have any comments, you know, post them down below. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.